Meteorologist Brian Slocum joins us here on the desk. Regardless of the snow and ice, it's just going to be bitterly cold over this weekend going into next week. So if you have a drafty home, try to tape up the windows, do whatever it is that you need to do so you can keep everybody inside nice and snuggly.
These tips never get old. You always have to keep them top of mind.
You really do, and that's a really important point, guys, is that this is the time to prepare. Let us work out the details of how much we're going to get and what we're going to get from this storm. But regardless of how that works out, this is going to be a very impactful storm, a major storm potential over our area. We haven't seen a storm like this likely in more than a decade. The current timing of this expected to come in sometime Saturday. Not sure exactly when that's going to be yet. Some models indicate early in the morning, others indicate later in the day. But once it starts, it'll have some staying power lasting through Sunday, exiting sometime Sunday evening or even very early Monday morning. Precipitation type, rain is out of the question. It's going to be far too cold for that. We're looking at snow potentially changing over to sleet and freezing rain at some points in the storm, and it's going to be some differences. Who sees what as the storm kind of evolves, but there are potentials for high totals of both snow, maybe sleet, and even a chance for some high totals for glazing, and that's certainly what we do not want here in North Carolina. The impact, expect difficult travel. Once this starts, you're going to want to stay in. Power outages are possible with this storm, and it's going to remain very cold for quite some time, even after the storm exits. So again, be ready for this, do your due diligence, get just what you need, bring it home and kind of ride the storm out with your loved ones. Temperatures in the teens and 20s currently today, dry day and even increasingly comfortable day. We're expecting good sunshine, high temperatures in the mid to upper 40s this afternoon on the strength of a south breeze at about 5 to 15 miles per hour. Mainly sunny in the foothills too. Your highs will be in the mid 40s on a Wednesday afternoon, and conditions in the mountains get close to 40 degrees, a little breezier there, and a few more late day clouds are expected too. We've got some wet weather starting to develop west. This is not the beginning of our storm. There's a cold front that'll get through first and could bring a few scattered showers into our western counties, perhaps mixing with a little snow. Time frame for that will be sometime later on tonight into early tomorrow. We'll have more clouds in the mix too. We initially had a small rain chance for Thursday. We're going to drop that down a bit and just mention the chance for a few passing sprinkles on Thursday. I think what we have will be mainly to our south. Friday, another front starts to approach the area. This is the Arctic front. It will start to bring the colder temperatures in. Ahead of it, we're going to see temperatures in the 50s, more likely Thursday than anything else, and then really start to cool things down Friday night into early Saturday. Here comes the cold, and it's expected to get all the way down to the Gulf Coast as a southern storm is beginning to develop in the southern plains. The interaction with that cold and moisture will bring a pretty heavy belt of snow, sleet, and freezing rain across much of the country. We'll see it develop like this. This is the new wrinkle. Yesterday when I showed you this model, it was predominantly snow in our area. The latest European model run is trying to bring more of a wintry mix. Why does this happen? Because we live in the south. We do have areas of warm air that try to get above the surface, melt any falling snow, and that results in kind of an icy scenario. This is not a given as of yet, but this is a new wrinkle that we're watching pretty closely and makes things that much harder to forecast moving forward. You see this begins to move out sometime late Sunday night into early Monday morning, but we're going to have cold weather on the backside of this. So keep in mind, travel conditions during the storm may deteriorate very, very quickly beginning on Saturday. More ice could lead to more power outages, so you need to be ready for that. And it's going to be cold. We may not see significant melting from whatever we get until sometime late next week. Temperatures will be in the teens in the mornings and highs barely, or at least near or even barely above freezing for several days getting into next week. So there's a lot to kind of digest here. We realize the time frame still seems to be Saturday and Sunday from the main impact of this, but likely we'll have some staying power well into next week.